You're not as messed up as you think you are. Your self-absorption makes you messier. Just settle down and you would feel a whole lot better. Deep down, you're just like everybody else. She's not as pretty as she thinks she is. Just picture her after she's had kids. I bet she sits at home and listens to the Smiths. Deep down, she's just like everybody else. So why are you sat at home? You're not designed to be alone. You just got used to saying no. So get up and get down and get outside. 'Cause it's a lovely sunny day to hide yourself away. You've only got yourself to blame. Get up and get down and get outside. He's not as clever as he likes to think. He's just ambitious with his arguing. He's crap at dancing, yeah, and he can't hold his drink. Deep down, he's just like everybody else. I'm not as awesome as this song makes out. I'm angry, underweight and sketching out. I'm building bonfires of my vanities and doubts to get warm, just like everybody